Body temperature of insect. Behavior of insect is a straightforward response to environmental temperature. Because the body temperature of insect is great importance and effect on metabolism, and its directly effect on central nervous system. There are two aspects: heat gain and heat loss. Insects are cold-blooded. They can't regulate their temperature according to environment. Heat gain. They can gain the heat by metabolic activities like flight muscles, muscular activities, solar radiation, by diffuse solar radiation, by solar radiation reflected from the ground. There are four main sources: metabolic activities, solar radiation, diffuse solar radiation, and solar radiation reflected from ground. And heat loss. Heat loss by convection, radiation, evaporation, and by cooling by internal ventilation. Heat gain. The heat produced by metabolic activities like muscular activity. Second factor tending to raise the body temperature above ambient is solar radiation. Color also affect the amount of radiation absorbed. In bright sunlight, gregarious locust larvae, which are black and orange in color, may be 6 degrees centigrade hotter than green solitary larvae. Heat loss, evaporation, convection, radiation, and important evaporation. Evaporation has effect of cooling because internal heat of vaporization is withdrawn from the body. In stationary insects, this is most important source of heat loss. In the range of 10 to 30 degree centigrade, and 80 to 100% of heat lost by Anomala is lost through evaporation. The rate of evaporation from the body is limited by humidity of the immediate environment. Conduction is unimportant as means of heat loss or heat gain. but convection, radiation, and cooling by internal ventilation are important.